everyone, it's Coach Brenda Kelly coming to you. I hope you are having an amazing day today. And we are still in the month of August and we've been talking about decluttering. So today I want to talk about how to declutter your mind. You know, so often we are so bogged down with caring for others, doing so many things on our job, kind of juggling everything, and we don't take time to settle ourselves and really take care of ourselves. So I'm going to talk about some things you can do to really help to clear your mind. Number one is practicing mindfulness. Now, when I say mindfulness, a lot of times people think, oh no, don't go into that new age stuff. No, mindfulness is just taking time for you, sitting down, being quiet. You can call it meditation. You can listen to music. You can spend time praying. You can spend time being quiet and listening for a word from God, whatever it is, but being mindful, being present for yourself. That's number one. And then number two is setting clear goals. Taking the time to set goals in your health, in your family, on your job, in your home, setting clear goals. What are some things that you want to see happen? Some goals that you want to set. It may be on your job to go get to work on time and get off on time and not overextend yourself on your job. Setting clear goals, spending time with your family, whatever it is, setting clear goals that you can really stick to. Number three is practicing gratitude and positivity, taking out time to appreciate and be thankful for the things that you have instead of always focusing in on the negative things that you don't have. Focus on the things that you have been blessed with. The more you focus on good things, positive things, then the more they will come to you. Have you ever been around a person who is always negative? And when you're around that person, it's like, oh my God, I need to get away from this person because they're so negative and they bring you down. So really focus in on being that positive person. Be the person you really want to be. And so number four would be digital detox. Detox the digital space. How do you do that? Clearing out emails, unsubscribing to some things that you know you're not doing anything with. In your groups, if you're on Facebook group, clear out those groups that you know that you're not going to. Your office space, clearing that out, cleaning out in your area, making it pleasant for you to be in. Being a minimalist when it comes down to things in your office space, in the space where you're doing a lot of working. And then number five is journaling or brain dumping. And I do that often where I take out time just to sit and think about whatever it is that is on my mind. You can do it once a day, you can do it once a week, you can do it monthly, however you do it, but taking some time to clear your head, everything that's on your mind, just put it on paper. Get you a sheet of paper and just write everything on there that you are thinking about. Put that paper down and come back a day or two later and look at it and really see what's on there. Is this something that I need to take care of, or is this something I can delegate, or is this something that I have no control over? So really look at those things and clear your thoughts by brain dumping. Remember, decluttering your mind is an ongoing process. It's not something you do once, but it is something that you repeat over and over again. The more you declutter, the more it is for you to have creative ideas, thoughts that will come to your mind. Have you ever been so bogged down with doing for others and taking care of so many things that you can't even think straight? Well, that's what we're talking about today. decluttering, clearing out so that you can have space and your thoughts will be much clearer. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you have an amazing day. And remember, take time for you. Be in the present. Spend that time, because when you spend time with God, I tell you, it opens up so much. He will bring things to your remembrance. He will bring things to you. He will give you new ideas, creative ideas when you take that time to just spend in the morning. If you can, early morning, just sit and spend with God and let Him speak to you. I guarantee you that your mind will be clearer than it ever has been. All right, have an amazing rest of your day. And remember, if you like what's going on here, like, share, and subscribe. We're here, and I'm excited to be with you. I'll see you again